quick way to change from one shape to another. Extreme almond, she wants a soft almond. Have an open palm, use zone 2 of your bit. Do not make contact, just don't put pressure, just make contact until you soften it up. You could spend time in the middle right here. Soften it up and there's a softer almond, okay? From this, you could turn into a coffin, very easy. Zone 2, if you angle your barrel, put pressure in, pressure, 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 and it's slight pressure. Come under, and you have your coffin. You could also make it tighter by coming in with your sides. This is just contact and no pressure. Okay, so I also could switch this to a different shape if I would like. But I'm gonna go onto the square and come in and taper it. We're switching to a taper square. So do you see how I anchor my finger? Bring it in. Okay, here's your taper. She decides she wants them shorter. At zone 2 of your bit, put pressure and work your way down. Come in here and thin it out. If she wants it a little shorter than that, taper it again. Zone 2 and 1 of your bit. Here's zone 2. Alrighty.